So, how many times by now in your life have you consumed motivational content? Whether that might be videos, text, or live speeches? Tens, hundreds, or thousands of times? Well, the way you are taking motivation is detrimental for you. Hello, everyone. I am Amar, and you're listening to the 7th episode of Stoic Human Podcast. Motivation is like sugar high. Motivation is great for motivational speakers because they are making money out of it. They receive your money and do more motivational gigs, and this money making spiral goes on for them. But what about you? You are trying to get motivation externally, so you pay for those motivational speakers by paying with money or your data if you are watching them online for free. And then you get motivated, which feels and acts very similar to like a sugar high. That is, makes you feel amazing but is short lived. You hardly end up accomplishing anything, and in no time, you again need more motivation, and that's your miserable spiral, also called as motivation trap. So, am I suggesting that you should avoid motivation? Well, the simple answer is no. But it is a bit more nuanced. Don't expect to get motivation from outside factor. Instead, get motivated from yourself. But how? For that, you need to understand how motivation actually works. And it is very simple to understand. You need to start taking actions, no matter how small. And in fact, it is better to take action smaller than you think you can accomplish. If you want to start working out every day, don't try to get motivated by some guy working out for 10 years and posting on Instagram thinking that you will achieve that in a year. People really overestimate what they can do in a year but underestimate what they can do in a decade. I know subconsciously those are the expectations that you set. Just go to the gym and do bench press. And when you accomplish it on that day, that is you have achieved success, then you get motivated, but more precisely you get the dopamine hit to take more action. And because of the motivation, this time you can take bigger action than previous one. Next day you might want to go for higher weight or more reps or maybe more variants of exercises. And this spiral of action, success, and motivation will remove your dependence on motivation from external stimuli, which, as you already know, that is just a trap. Soon, I'll be discussing how to build internal system that you won't be able to not take action, and huge part of that system is journaling. That's it for this week. I would love it if you could follow this podcast because there's amazing content coming your way every Friday. And check out our written content on stoichuman.com. Follow us on Instagram to get your dose of daily stoic wisdom. The username is stoichuman.com. It is DOTCOM, stoichuman.com. You can also subscribe us our YouTube channel, which is Stoic Human Podcast. Well, bye and stay safe.